10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, Cinebasta, and of course you could see the other ones as well. Who else than the megastar Salman Khan on the first ever issue? Sir, if I could request you to please stand right next to the magazine so that we can have pictures clicked. And I'd also like to invite on stage
It's basically a magazine. It's totally different. It's not only this film industry, but it's covering the lifestyles and the fashions, with the food, and I'm trying to expose it internationally. And what I brought the magazines, basically it's only for the charity purpose. So 30% of the profit amount would be going to the charities. It would be covered for the children's home agents and medical assistance.
Sir, of course, sir, अगर आप इजाज़त दें तो मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें बोलना चाहूँगा, but I think it's the moment that we first unveil the magazine here, and we'd like to invite two special guests here. Of course, his twin sons, right? Charles, can I request you to please come up onto the stage, and I would request both of them to come up and unveil the magazine here. सर आप ही बुला लो, मेरे बुलाने से तो आता नहीं, आपको थोड़ा डर होगा. Okay, so both of you join me onto the stage. Can we get the remote, please? Lifestyle food as well, right?
Yeah.
Wow. What else do you want here? देखो, नहीं सर, ये अच्छा idea नहीं मैं बता रहा. I knew that. You want the microphone? Okay. Will you sing a song for me? Sing a song. That's the voice. So sir, I just wanted, आप मेरे को charity के बारे में बता रहे थे. Of course, 30% goes to different charities, right? It goes for kids' medication as well. And so I think that's a wonderful idea. We wish you the very best for sure. No, mic नहीं मिलेगा. अपना घर से लेके आओ. Okay, so in case you have any questions, we'll be more than happy to answer this one. It's a fortnightly magazine. So मैंने पहली बार देखा ऐसे gold foil में तो magazine पे. It's a brilliant one. Of course, sir, the special guest, sir, I want you to share something about that as well.
Basically, Salman was supposed to come, so due to his too tight schedule, he's having a Dubai promo. So yesterday itself he called me. He showed me everything. See, I am very much tight busy. If I get even a certain times, I'll be here.
Now, of course, I hope you all are aware that this event was supposed to happen on 6th and we had to push it to 10 because of Mr. Salman Khan's schedule. But unfortunately, with his tight schedule, he's busy shooting and promoting his upcoming film. He could be here, but nevertheless, he's shared a lot of information about his life and his upcoming projects in this magazine, which you can check out. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Cinebuster magazine. It's going to be shared with you shortly. And sir, heartiest congratulations to you as well. Wish you the very best. And if I could request you all, of course the celebration is going to continue. There are a lot of people who are here. I'm generally happy to see you, all of you here. In a short while from now, the dinner is going to be served. But in case you have any questions, we're more than happy to answer them right away. And if not, then of course, sir's going to be here. You can have a one-on-one as well too. Right, thank you everybody for being here. I appreciate your patience. The dinner served already, right? Right? It's great to see you here. Some really nice, happy faces. Deepshika is here. Rohit is here. I didn't know you guys are here as well. Wow, I have loads of friends here. Wow, good to see you. And Sabina Khan, Sarvani Mukherjee, all of you are here. Shilpi, Shweta, Umesh, Yogesh Tripathi, thank you everybody for being here. I'm telling you, he's a born actor.
major things and things that relate to the public, make them more closer to the Indian cinema and make it more accessible and more fun-loving. So I definitely expect
खुद को मैं ढूंढूं आँखों के दरमियाँ तू अब हंस तरह ख्वाब कभी जगा ना मिले ये मौसम की बारिश ये बारिश का पानी ये पानी की बूंद तुझे ही तो ढूंढे ये मिलने की ख्वाहिश ये ख्वाहिश पुरानी वो पूरी तुझे से मेरी ये कहानी हवा से तेरा पता पूछता हूँ अब तो आजा तू कहीं से परिंदों की तरह है दिल है सफर में तू मिला दे जिंदगी से बस इतनी इल्तिजा तू आके एक दफा जो दिल ने ना कहा जान ले ये मौसम की बारिश ये बारिश का पानी ये पानी